Hello dear rich kids, do you know me? Forget that, just remember the channel. This is God of Chelsea. So last time when we faced Everton, we had a bad night. So did I. So I hope you also had some. So keeping things real, this is December, and before Christmas we will have been busy because we will have schedules day after day. Uh, Day is rested, and next day you have to face another opponent in the Premier League, and we have been dropping points like we have been just battered because we like to drop points, not like City and Liverpool, as I have already told in the last video. Today, this video will be all about Wolves versus Chelsea away. So we have good away record since last time when we lost to West Ham United. We were on the boards of winning such things away from the home, and on home we have last drawn 5 games, which is our new record since 2018. So that's a bad record to have. And Thomas Tuchel on his press conference already told that Kovacic, Kante, and Salaba are fit to start the game and will be on the bench maybe, and may have also start as well. We have to see that. Let's see what happens. And the main thing is Kante is back to Chelsea team, which is good news for us because the Premier League, since we have been to on the absence of Kante, we have lost the game, we have drew the game, we have been battered, we have been conceding goals like you know tearing of paper. That's easy for a team to score against us. But I hope that when Kante comes in, all these things gets beside as well, and we will continue to be on our form and deliver the performance that we had to deliver on the opponents. Beside that, Kai Havertz is someone who has been tested negative for last term, and even we know that Kai Havertz is had to start this game because last time when we faced Everton, we lacked a focal point, and Christian Pulisic was someone who had to just play fortnight on the bench because on the pitch he was clueless. On the pitch he was on the boards of extinct, just like dinosaurs being on the dinosaur era. And now we know that we have to face someone, we have to face the hungry team that will smell the blood of Chelsea's defeat, because we have been victim of being defeated, we have been victim of being drawn, and I am sick and tired of this. I don't know for how long will this stand, because if we cannot deliver with next two games, we will be definitely out of the title hope, and we will have to consider the other titles as I have been already told in the last video as well. So here is the thing about Chelsea lineup. I honestly think that we will have to deliver the right amount of players to finish up chances, because we have been creating so many chances, but we have not been adverting and we have not been finishing them. So before the lineup, I would like to give some information about Lucas Digne of Everton, who have been linked to Chelsea and in January, and he has been out of the team selection, and have been clipped on the bench. Beside that, he is the guy who starts for France national team left back as well, and clearly we can see that we have been searching for and eyeing for the backup of Chilwell, and he will give good competition to Chilwell as well when he comes back. Beside that, Alonso is not good enough for Chelsea at the moment, but when he heads up to here, I think we need to respect his, you know, our kind of serviceness to us, because he was fabulous. Beside that, I think Lucas Digne will be a good addition to our Chelsea team and will provide competition as well on the left hand side, and will immediately fight for the place of Chilwell. Beside that, he will be a good rotation as well, because Chilwell sometimes needs rest as well. But when Alonso comes in, he has been like dead wood, and since the first 3 weeks of this Premier League, he has been out of the team, out of the squad, because Chilwell pushed him to the limit. And I think last time when we had some Premier League top three left back, we will definitely go against Andrew Robertson, Luke Shaw, and definitely Chilwell, including Lucas Digne because he is good going at forward and being at left back and coming at defense as well, and he is good at set pieces, which will be a good thing for us, especially when we have something to be delivered. He will be instantly delivered. Beside that, I honestly think that to start off the lineup, I think Mendy should be at goal definitely. So left center back, I think back pack must be start with Alonso, Rudiger at left center back, Thiago Silva, who has been fabulous last time as well, and he was the guy to deliver instantly when needed. Although he is 13-year-olds now, he plays like 21, 22, 23, like that. He plays with odds of confidence, and he knows when to deliver and when to be sit back, when to attack, when to slide tackle, and many more things. Beside that, I think that we should be going Zalaba on the right center back because Aspilicueta has been out of the form and he has been constantly lacking the pace that Zalaba will definitely cover. And on the right wing back, I will definitely start Rhys James, and I hope that he gets something assist or goal because he is someone that constantly delivers. And starting my double pivot, I will definitely start with Jorginho and Robin Lopez, although they have been clear news that they have some knock last night. But I think the pain Jorginho had and started the last three games with the absence of Kovacic and Kante. I honestly think that he should start this game, and Robin Loftus-Cheek should also be alongside with the Jorginho because he is the guy to deliver as well. Beside that, I honestly think the front three that we will definitely have must be Mason Mount because he is the guy who scores the goal, and in last four Premier League games, he has already delivered an assist or goal, scoring all in the matches. Beside that, I honestly think that Kai Havertz should be the focal point because he has been out with the COVID, but he was negatively tested. So I think he should start the game. Alongside that, I honestly think either Christian Pulisic or Ziyech should start this game. But looking at the form, looking at the right hand side, I honestly think that Hakim Ziyech should start the game, and he has been the guy who now has some good touches, who knows how to deliver the things on some times. Beside that, he has been pressing like you know pressing machine, and he knows that what Tuchel demands as well because he has been here for last two seasons, including the last term when Frank Lampard bought him, and this term as well, Tuchel. So beside that, I am saying this game will be also tight because if we cannot withstand the pressure, withstand the fact that Wolves will definitely batter us because they have been as well, and I never forget the last result when we lost to Wolves at home against last minute winner goal by Podence. So if you know, you know. Beside that, I honestly think that we have to get the clean sheet and the victory with 2-0. Beside that, if you are new to my channel, don't feel and don't hesitate to be subscribed, and please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell because when I next time upload the video, you will get instantly notified. Beside that, we already know that Arsenal are gonna be battered as well sooner or later because they just win on a winning streak back to back. Thank you. Bye. See you.